Hey, Natalie here with Denver Parks and Recreation. I have 3 workouts for you that can be completed as a total body workout, or you can use them as a standalone in addition to anything that you do. Okay, let's get going. All right, I have a quick ab circuit for you. We have 30 seconds of 4 different movements. We're gonna move quickly through them, and let's go ahead and get started. So I want you all the way on your back, feet together, knees wide, arms overhead. You're gonna lift your upper body for a long arm crunch. We have 30 seconds in 3, 2, and 1. So squeeze ribs to hips. And I want you to bring your chin off your chest. So with our long arms, we have a longer lever, making it a little bit more work into the upper abs. So exhale as you lift, inhale as you lower. 10 more seconds here. Good, we have 5, 4, 3, 2, and rest. Left hand behind your head, right knee extends out. We'll bring right knee in towards left elbow and back out. Ready? 3, 2, and 1, we're on. So elbow stays nice and wide, and really make your upper body work a little harder. Your knee stops right at your hip crease. So really pull with your upper body. Both shoulder blades lift up. 10 more seconds here. Good, we're here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and rest. Switch your side. So this time left leg out, right arm behind your ear. We pull in and out. Ready? 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. So exhale as your knee pulls in, and try to stop your knee right at your hip crease. Make your upper body work a little harder. Really think about your whole shoulder blade coming across the body to work our internal and external obliques. Good, last 10 seconds here. Exhale. We're here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and rest. Both hands come underneath your glutes. Feet come all the way in the air and then lower them about halfway down. We have Flutter Kicks, 30 seconds here. Ready? 3, 2, and 1, we're on. So option is to lift your upper body. You can always keep your hands down on the ground, but I want you to push your lower back down into the mat. Breathe here. Final 15 seconds. Good, nice and controlled, nice and strong. We're here for 10. Yes, for 5, 4, 3, 2, and rest. Knees pull into the chest. I want you to roll over on to your belly. We have a skydiver, so feet about hip width apart, hands come to 90 degrees, chin is tucked. You're gonna lift and lower, lift and lower. Ready? 3, 2, and 1, we're on. So we're thinking about strengthening the lower back to support the abs. Gaze is down, so chin is tucked. Really think like a nice long neck. Reaching with the crown of your head forward. Big squeeze at the top. Good, final 10 seconds here. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, find forearm plank position, elbows and toes. Our final move, forearm plank, ready. In 3, 2, and 1, we're up. So shoulders, elbows, underneath your shoulders, shoulders stack right over your elbows. They're in a straight line from your head to your heels, or your head to your knees, wherever you are. I want you to pull your belly button into your spine. So tight. Breathe here. Every exhale, contract your core. Press back through your heels if your knees are lifted. That's our halfway point. Stay with this here all the way to the end. Keep breathing. Gaze in one spot, maybe at your thumbs. The mat in front of you, neck is nice and long. Final 15 seconds here. Good, we're here for 5, for 3, 2, and 1. Drop your belly down, gaze lifts up, shoulders roll down. Really good job.